A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement base diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, Hot Wheels Premium. We got 5 releases we are going to take a closer look at today. To be honest, I don't own too many Hot Wheels Premium cars. In my opinion, they are quite expensive here in Germany. You have to pay 10 euros for such a car. In my opinion, that is quite a lot of money. In the US, you can get them for $6, and that is a fair price. But anyways, some of them I do really like, and so as you can see, this is not the latest stuff. I got me some older ones I did really like, and I mean, a lot of them are sold out very fast, so you have to be quick. And I'm quite happy that I got these now, and yeah, let's take a look at them. A quick overview, we got this guy here from Slide Street, the Pandem Subaru BRZ, in this really cool Falken livery. We got this guy here, which is a fantasy casting, the MBK van with this cool HKS livery. I'm a big fan of cool liveries. Then we got this guy here, the custom 77 Dodge van in Hooker headers livery. And then we have this one here, the Lotus Esprit S1 in yellow from the British horsepower set. And then we got this guy here, you all might know, K.I.T.T from the TV show Knight Rider. I would say let's start with this one here. To be honest, when I ordered this one, I didn't realize that it was a fantasy casting. I was so amazed by this cool livery, and I was sure that in a Hot Wheels Premium set you will never find a fantasy casting or an unlicensed car, that I just bought it. But I think it's okay. This livery is really cool, and it has I looked it up on the internet, and it has quite of an interesting story. So let's take it out of the packaging. So for all of you, let's put this back. For all of you that don't know, these Hot Wheels Premium cars always come with a metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. I think this one does look very cool. Details and deco all around, except on the roof. I mean, this HKS deco is legendary. I love the feeling of these cars. They are quite heavy, and I know you can feel the quality, in my opinion. Otherwise, I mean, they don't have a lot of details. As you can see, this guy here has no mirrors and no lensed headlights, nor tail lights and that stuff. But anyways, what I wanted to show you is, I don't know if you can see it through the windshield. Here on the passenger seat, or on the right seat, because there are 3 seats in this row. I don't know if it's hard to see through the reflections, but there's an elephant sitting on the seat. And that is kind of an homage to the Hot Wheels Thailand plant team, because the elephant is the national animal of Thailand, which I think is quite interesting. And here on the base it says MBK van. yeah, really cool. And what I like, these cars do roll very, very smoothly. Really cool. So let's go on with the other van. So this guy is a licensed one. The Custom 77 Dodge van in this hooker headers livery, and I think that is just fantastic. I mean, I wouldn't have bought this casting without this deco. That's what this van is all about. Really, really cool. Yeah, these graphics are just fantastic. So as you can see, we got different tires, very big ones here in the back, and these tires have a tread on them. This is the back side. Yeah, from the side, this just looks fantastic. If you display this car, this is really, really cool. I like these chrome wheels. So it's got no side windows. Yeah, love it, really cool. And such a smooth roller. Let's park this guy here on the other side so you can see it. And I would say let's go on with the Pandem Subaru BRZ and its fantastic Falken livery. A really iconic livery. So I already got another one from the series, this guy here also, just because of the livery. I mean, they are all cool. But I mean, it's quite expensive when you always buy the full set. I mean, in this case, I have to say I like them all, but I think these two are the best. And this one is also really cool. Maybe if I get my hands on this guy, I will buy him too. So let's put the packaging back. I mean, these artworks, look at them, really cool also. Yeah, this is also really, really cool. Look at this Falken livery. These yellow headlights. It's a right-hand drive. Ten-spoke wheels. Nice back with a big wing. This thing here is plastic. Let's see how it rolls. As smooth as the other guys. Let's park him. And we go on with the Lotus. So this is one of my favorite cars of all time. I like this whole styling of the body. It's just fantastic. And look at this artwork. British horsepower driving through the rain in a foggy forest. It's really cool. Well, I'm not the biggest fan of the color yellow on this one. I would have preferred white, but that's the way it is. I mean, maybe as many of you know this car from the James Bond movies. I think this Lotus appeared in 2 movies. Don't ask me what the titles were, can't remember it. So many Bond movies. But there's this famous diving scene where, you know, the wheels fold in and that stuff. And I think the other movie there, James Bond is driving the car in the winter, but I'm not really sure. Yeah, fantastic car. This is the backside. Details on the back. Series 1, does the license plate say. Well, this is not perfect. This is print here on the hood. Right-hand drive for sure, for a British horsepower car. Let's see how it rolls. Very smoothly into parking position. And I would say let's finish it up with this guy. My absolute favorite TV show when I was a kid and I grew up. I don't know how many times I was talking into my watch, calling K.I.T.T. I mean, sounds so funny from today's perspective, but it was so cool, and I don't know how many kids dreamed of owning a car that can talk and jump and all that stuff. And here it is. So for those of you that don't know the TV show, K.I.T.T is the abbreviation for Night Industries 2000. Yeah, the laser scanner. And that is quite interesting. Didn't see that. As you can see, we have some details in the interior because K.I.T.T was a very modern car with a lot of technology on board for that time. Little screens in a time where no car had screens here on the dashboard. No way. I mean, today you won't find a car without that, but in that time that was something, at least for me, I couldn't imagine that would happen. Look at this cool steering wheel. Today the new Teslas have it. It's called yoke. But K.I.T.T already had it in the 80s. Yeah. Nice memories. Nice diecast car. I'm not really sure about the rims. I think he could have done that or these better. But anyways, I like it. And as we put this guy into parking position, I say thank you for watching. I hope you did like the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And I say happy hunting. And see you next time. Bye.